a computer. Is that right? Yes, it is. So as you can see here, we got a nice static-free workstation. Just mind some of the dust. It's fine, it's static-free. So let me go ahead and grab my new motherboard. Obviously, what you want to do is you want to place it down on the static-free workstation, regardless of what the... there we go. So we got our motherboard. Step one, we're going to install our CPU. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab my CPU. It is a monster. If you can focus on that. It is an AMD Athlon X2. Don't know how many cores it's got. So we got our CPU right here. Now as you can see the gold pin, that should be facing that little arrow there. So we're just going to line it up. And we're just going to wiggle it in place and close it. Oh dear. So you can see wiggling it doesn't work. I'm gonna have to go over here.
Wiggling from over here.
I'm gonna go grab just some necessary tools. I'm gonna try this again. So obviously we don't want to put that down yet. We just want to get our hammer and just lightly. That should be in there.
Please do try this at home.
And as you can see, we just got a little bit of dust. That's fine. You just blow that off, and you close that down. Okay, that's in there nicely now. That's not gonna. Oh, it actually is. But let's just do a test. Yep, that's not coming out. So now we're gonna go ahead and grab our memory module and our CPU cooler. Just while we're here. Pre-applied with thermal paste. Now, the memory is very easy. Just going to take this long stick, and as you can see, there's a little groove in there. And we're just going to slot that in there, just so it's nice. And again, just applying a little bit of force.
What's the bit of the glass?
And there we go, that's in there perfectly. Obviously if you had two, you'd have to hammer the table twice as many. And then we got our CPU cooler. So with that, well, it's pretty self-explanatory. Just hook that on over there. There we go, hooked in there nicely. We're just gonna put that around there. Again, hammer could help us a little bit with this. Come on. Why does this never work? Ah, there we go. I believe that's in. So we got our case all ready. And we're just going to go ahead and...
Is that a fruit nut case?
Obviously you're not meant to drop the motherboard. That would not be a bad idea. And as you can see, we've got the IO shield in there. And then what you do, you can come back over here. You grab said hammer, and you're just gonna lightly, just like that. Now that should be all good in the hood. And then you gotta install the power supply. Now I kept it over here near the bin because you know that's where it's kind of meant to go. And then it's simple. You take the wires you don't need. No, we probably don't need. See, this would help if I had the right tools on hand. So what we do, no, I don't think we need that one. So just gonna, that's good. It's one connection down. I think we only need about 3 of these. can see, that one's already been cut off. It wasn't by me. And I'm just going to go here and... Oh, this is quite tough, this. It's no match for me. And to make this modular, just go ahead and just... As you can see, the dust came out of that all nice. So to mount that in, it is a top-mounted power supply. Just gotta line that up perfectly, just like so. And obviously you plug all these in. So I believe that goes in there like that. Take the big one, and I think he goes into this bit here. Like a glove. Oh, mustn't forget this one. Goes in there like that. And we're gonna put the side panel on, and we will be turning this on next time.